again presenting to you our cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. The Facundos are here. Okay. Hello po. Hello JK. Hello Joshua, Bell, Papa P, and of course Inay. Hello guys. Thank you so much for being here. Congratulations po. Yes. Ay, okay. Akyat ako. Diyos ko. Guys, part na ako ng class. Okay. So of course, yes, naka-yellow po ako for today, but congratulations. This is the world premiere of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Syempre, it's time for you guys to greet all your supporters and all of our friends and bosses who are here tonight, starting with Josh.
Pinasa ko ba yun? Hello po, magandang gabi po. Gusto kong magpasalamat sa oras na ibinigay niyo ngayong gabi. And gusto ko naman pasalamat sa Drama Joshua at sa lahat ng mga fans ko na sumuporta sa amin sa lahat ng mga mall shows and sa lahat ng mga promos. And ito na, finally, at sobrang excited ako at sana magustuhan niyo po. Para sa inyo po ito. Ito.
Thank you so much, Joshua. Okay, go ahead, Belle.
Grabe. First of all, I'd just like to thank everyone. Grabe. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin dito. To everyone, sa lahat ng loved ones namin, to our bosses, maraming salamat po for being here. We're so excited for this film. We just can't wait for you guys to see this. And I hope after this film, we just continue spreading love and kindness.
Thank you so much. JK?
Okay, wala. Sige. Hi everyone, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Well, actually, we had the whole day to really, I don't know, try to process everything happening, and I feel like standing here now in front of you all. Dahil na kinakabahan lang ako, promise. Ay, PG ba to? G? Oh, sorry. Pero seryoso, thank you so much sa lahat ng pumunta dito, and also sa lahat ng mga taong bumubuo para magawa yung pelikulang ito. Alam niyo kung sino ko yung maraming salamat din sa inyo lahat para sa atin to. Ayun, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, JK. Go, Papa P.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for taking your time to be with us tonight. We're just really honored that finally we have a film, and nagpapasalamat tayo sa Star Cinema sa ABS-CBN, Tita Cory, Chris, maraming salamat sa lahat ng ating mga bisita dito. Thank you for taking your time to watch the film. And we'd like to apologize on behalf of Direk Cathy because nasa New Zealand siya. Of course, she has to attend some family affairs, but of course, she sends her regards, and also nagpapasalamat din po siya. At sana po magustuhan ninyo ang pelikulang handog namin po para sa inyong lahat. Yun lang po. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Piolo Pascual. Of course, our diamond star, Inay, Miss Maricel Soriano.
Ganyan kami sa shooting, pinaglalaroan niya ako. Pero tuwa naman ako.
Okay, sige po lang.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat sa nagpunta at sana po maibigyan niyo yung pelikula. Ito pa nandun sa inyo ng Star Cinema. Sa mga boss namin, nandiyan si Cory, hi. Natutuwa kami at saka natutuwa mo kami lahat dahil masaya mo namin ginawa ng pelikula ito. Kahit na mo drama, bago mo mag-take, nagtatawanan pa kami. Pero pagdating naman mo ng take, ano mo? Pero pag take naman mo talaga, take na kami talaga.
Send mo sa akin mo. Wala. Sure.
Pero maraming salamat po talaga.
Umiyak ba si Maricel?
At magandang gabi.
Hindi naman.
Maraming salamat po, Inay. Again, palakpakan po natin our cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Joshua Garcia, Bel Mariano, Juan Carlos, Piolo Pascual, and Miss Maricel Soriano. Let's now have a quick photo of Tita Mona of the cast only. Yes. Okay.
First compress.
Ayan, compress muna.
Compress Kendra.
There you go. Okay, photos of the cast first, and mamaya, the cast will be having a picture with the whole cinema, so you guys can take your seats after. Okay, all good na. Thank you so much. Again, our cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Joshua Garcia, Juan Carlos, Bel Mariano, Piolo Pascual, and Miss Maricel Soriano. We are very, very excited for you guys to see and witness our family drama brought to us by ABS-CBN Studios, Star Cinema, and directed by Direk Cathy Garcia Sampana. And also shout out to our supporting cast who are also here and joined us earlier. Congratulations po sa inyo. Ngayon naman, we would like to ask everyone to please settle down as we are going to have our premiere in just a few minutes. So we are waiting for our cast to move over to their seats. But we would like to remind everyone again, to all of our supporters and all of our guests, please take care of your belongings. We would also like to remind everyone to please, about our anti-camcording law, if we do see someone who is recording any bits or pieces of the film Meet, Greet, and Buy, we are so sorry, but we will have to send you guys out. Again, a recording of anything, any clips is not allowed. But again, we would like to thank everyone, and we would like to extend our gratitude to everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here with us to witness a beautiful family drama on Star Cinema. Big shout out to Sir Mico Del Rosario also. Congratulations, Sir Mix. Thank you, everyone. Okay, our cast is now settling down. Again, we would like to thank everyone, and also for our friends who made our event possible. Sanicare brought us some tissue kasi for sure daw maiiyak tayo for today. Ribisco also helped us out with our snacks that you guys can see on your seats. So for those of you who wanna, enjoy the film with some snacks, thank you so much to Ribisco. Thank you as well to Duncan Video, We Find Ways, Icon Events Photography, Path 360, and Wave Bar and Restaurant. Maraming salamat po. There you go. We are very excited. Our bosses are also here. Tony Gulanes, Sir Chris Gasman. Thank you so much. The Lopez family is also here. Sir Mark Lopez is also here. Sir Ernie Lopez and Miss Michelle Lopez are here. Miss Connie Lopez also present with us tonight. Maraming salamat po. Sir Rick Tan is also here. Miss Kat Lopez. Miss Maricel Martinez, thank you so much for being here. Si Enang Direk Olivia Lamasan also here. Tita Malu Santos, maraming salamat din po for your time. Sir Jonathan Manalo, thank you so much. Sir Roxy Likigan, also here. Sir Louis Andrada, present as well in this world premiere of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Very excited for this film, and I hope you guys are excited as well, as it will teach us to cherish our families, our parents, our siblings,